guys, welcome back. So today I have my new Boxycharm unboxing. So I've heard really good things about this box. Well, I guess all the boxes are really good. But I've heard good things about this one, so I'm super excited to see if I have all the same exact thing that everyone else has. So if you would like to see what is in my box, then just keep watching. So this says it is the Caribbean Queen. So let's just get started. So the first thing here, it is from Luxie and it has 3 different brushes. So one, it is a fiber duo brush, one is a foundation, and one is a highlighter. Alright, so these are the 3 brushes. I'm not going to use the foundation one just because I did already put my foundation on. And it's like very like soft for doing foundation, so I wouldn't use this for that anyways. But I'm definitely going to use the other one. This is the highlight. I'll do that for sure. And then this one for powder, and when I'm sure I could figure out a way for I use that as well. All right, next we have this. This is the one everyone keeps like saying how amazing it is. This is SOL something for body cream. So I have not smelled it, and I've heard it smells amazing. So let's open this. Oh. Oh, it does. Wow, it smells really good. Oh, there's not a lot in there. You can kind of see. I wish I could like go in. So that's a good sound. Oh, it smells so good. But yeah, it looks like this. Actually, a lot. It's filled a lot. Oh, it smells really good. I'm gonna put it on my hands right now. It's for your body, so put it on your hands. Oh yeah, it smells amazing. Wow, it smells really good. I didn't put concealer on already, so there's nothing for the box for concealer. So since this is just sitting here already, I'm gonna use this. This is my Pro Longwear Concealer from MAC. And so I'm just gonna use this dirty sponge, literally. And I'm just gonna put this on here because I didn't put concealer here and I didn't think I needed it, and this is the only other one that I have, and I don't want to go over there and go get it. Alright, so this says this is the Luxie Duo Brush Powder. So I'm going to use this. This is not from the box. This is the RCMA No Color Powder, and I'm just going to use this brush to set my concealer. See how this works with this brush. Probably not, because it's not the right one, but we're gonna do it anyways. So I'm not gonna like bake or anything, I'm just putting this on here. Alright, so I also don't have bronzer, so I'm going to use a new one that I've never used. This one's from Morphe. It's not in the box, but I haven't used this yet, and so I wanted to try it. This is from Morphe. This is the Brontour, so it's a bronzer and a contour. The color that I'm using are, I don't know if it's in the name or not, but it looks like this. I think I'm going to try this one first. I haven't tried any of these, so I'm going to kind of contour it here and see how it goes. And I'm using the same brush from the box, and I'm just going to contour over here. Nice. I actually really like this for contouring. This is the foundation one. I have my code from Morphe, so you guys can use my code, which is just Courtney, my name, Courtney, to give % off. And I do get paid for that, so you don't have to use mine. You can use someone else's if you like them better than me, which is fine. Let's do this. I'm excited to see what's in here because everybody keeps like showing all these really cool pictures and like stuff with this. So I'm not sure where it's from. I can't read what it says, sorry. But this is volume 1. So let's open it together. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm sure I'll probably only gonna use like that color and like this color. So let's just get this started. So let's start it off with this color right here. It is Cocoa Taxi, and this is with my Morphe M3 brush, and I'm just going to put it in my crease because we need a little bit of something in here to kind of start blending everything out. Morphe brushes are so good, and they're so like inexpensive also, so I absolutely love them. I think the new eyeshadows are coming soon. I think it's coming on like the 26th I think. I have all of them. I haven't used them yet. I'm sure they're gonna be amazing though. They're the ones from what's her name? Jaclyn Hill? Yeah, her. Jaclyn Hill. I have them, but I haven't tried them yet. I'm sure they're gonna be amazing though. But I'm sure they're going to be amazing. I actually really like these so much. Like so far, they're like totally killing it. Like these colors. Like this is like the perfect color right here. Like I could probably just be done with this color and I'd just be like totally happy with it. I really, really like this like one color right here. So yeah, I'm gonna use this color right here, this dark brown. I'm gonna put it in my outer part. All right, and then kind of blending this in here into my crease. All right, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of this color right here, really make sure it's not in there, and then kind of put it in like the crease in here just to get a little bit more warmth in here. Just a little bit. All right, for the last one, do I want to use this green? And I'm going to spray my stuff with my MAC Best Plus. That was close. And then I'm going to take that green color here and see how this goes. Let's put it right. This is nuts. Wow. I definitely think that this is an amazing color, an amazing palette. So I think you should definitely get it. So I'm going to use the same colors for the bottom lash lines, obviously. So I'm going to use the same color that I love, and I'm going to put it underneath here. And I like to really make everything really low. So that's how I'm going to do it. You definitely don't have to, but I like it really low. All right, and then this color right here, just a little bit in here and put it underneath as well, just a little bit closer to my lash line. All right, next in the box we have this. We've definitely had these before. This is a lip liner, not a lip liner. This is an eye kohl here. This is the color Charcoal. So I'm gonna put this in my waterline in here. All right, so they have lashes here. These are from Baddington? I think Baddington lashes. So they look, oh, that's cute. Oh, they're like really nice. Oh my God, they look almost like are they real? I think it is. Wow, those are really pretty. Oh, I really like it. Okay, so I'm gonna put some mascara on really quick. So I'm gonna put these on with my lashes and I'll be right back. All right, lashes are on and I absolutely love how it all came out. I think it looks so good. So we don't have blush, so I'm gonna use my Morphe one here. So this is the one that I wanted to show. I don't know, I think this one will work. I think this one will work. We're gonna use this one. We're gonna use the same brush. Let's use the, we're gonna use the tapered highlighter, and we're gonna use this color right here for blush and just put it on my cheeks. All right, and there's also not any highlighter, so I was looking in all of my stuff and I realized I have not used this one in, I don't even know how long. I don't even know. This is a highlighting powder. This is the color Bronze Glow. So it is from Bobbi Brown, but it's just like so pretty. Like, it's so cute. So let's use the same brush. Normally I wouldn't use something that's so like fluffy. So we're gonna see if this would work. And if not, we'll use a different brush. So we're gonna try this. Yeah, nothing's really happening. Okay. Just gonna add a little bit, yeah, right. And I'm gonna spray because I want it to be highlighted-y. Oh yeah, there it is. There it is, it's what I've been waiting for. Okay. Yep. And then we're gonna go to the other side. Can you see it? I'm sure you can, because I can see it. All right, last in the box is a liquid lipstick. This is from Ofra. I love Ofra. I have like a billion of them. I probably already have this one, but I don't want to go look for it, so I'm gonna use this. This is Veronica, so I've loved this color many of times. I've used it a lot, so I know this is going to be good, and it's probably going to be matching like perfect of what I have on my face already. So, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Alright, so this is everything that I have in my box. So about everything comes up to be like 130. It's always around that. So I absolutely love everything in this box. So I just love the eyeshadows. The eyeshadows are definitely my favorite. They just absolutely amazing. I like can't even believe how amazing the palette came out. Like, this is so good. Like, look at, and I only used like 3 of the colors, or 4, 1, 2, 3. I used 3 of the colors. So it is, or I guess 4. I used 4. But yeah, I absolutely love them. I just think it's so good. The only thing I need to do is I need to highlight my like brows, because I don't have anything around me for it, so I'm not gonna put it on now, but that would be the only thing I would do later. But yeah, so yeah, I absolutely love Boxycharm. I said this every single time. Boxycharm has amazing things because everything is full-sized, and everything literally, like, look at my face. Like, I just think it all looks so good, and I think it's totally worth it. I will put my link down below for you guys, so you guys can see everything in there and such. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys liked this video, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.